Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. I want to go home. I want to go home. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. We live in New York City. We live in New York City. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. I like milk and cookies for a snack. I like milk and cookies for a snack. I work at a bank. I work at a bank. We have a big house. We have a big house. You are late again. You are late again. The dog run around the yard. The dog run around the yard. My brother likes to eat burger and fries. My brother likes to eat burger and fries. My grandmother loves to bake cake. My grandmother loves to bake cake. They don't have any money to pay bills. They don't have any money to pay bills. I like to go to the mall. I like to go to the mall. They are running. They are running. I like apple a lot. I like apple a lot. My friends are coming over today at 5 p.m. My friends are coming over today at 5 p.m. He eats meat. He eats meat. This chair is made of wood. This chair is made of wood. We are going to the store tomorrow. We are going to the store tomorrow. I am taking an English class. I am taking an English class. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. He is a good student. He is a good student. I have a new puppy. I have a new puppy. My brother is tall and handsome. My brother is tall and handsome. My mother cook delicious meals every day. My mother cook delicious meals every day. John will be home soon. John will be home soon. She got a new car. She got a new car. The test was easy today. The test was easy today. It was hard to do, but he did it well. It was hard to do, but he did it well. I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher.